Hello, my name is Eric Story. I am your Special Districts Manager, and today I bring before you Public Project Agreement 324-00427 with Garcia's Landscaping and Maintenance, Inc. for Seabridge Park Bench Installation Project Specification Number SD 24-82. Recommendation for Public Works and Transportation Committee that the Public Works and Transportation Committee recommend that the City Council approve and authorize the mayor to execute an agreement with Garcia's Landscaping and Maintenance, Inc. in the amount not to exceed $12,650 for the installation of park benches at Community Facilities District Number 4. Recommendation for City Council that the City Council approve and authorize the mayor to execute an agreement with Garcia's Landscaping and Maintenance, Inc. in the amount not to exceed $12,650 for the installation of park benches at Community Facilities District Number 4. On screen is a map of special districts in the city of Oxnard. Background. The Special Districts Division of the Public Works Department is responsible for the maintenance, operation, and administration of the city's 50 special districts, including Community Facilities District Number 4. Each of these special districts have specific individual authorized services and improvements, including but not limited to park landscapes, open spaces, parkways, medians, other public improvements, and recreation and park amenities such as picnic shelters, restrooms, arbors, and fountains. Properties within each district are assessed an annual parcel assessment for the purposes of maintaining these and other authorized services and improvements within their district. The Seabridge CFD was established in 2004 to pay for the cost and expense of providing the public services within the development. That includes, but is not limited to, the following per the formation documents: maintenance of parks, parkways, and open space, the dredging and remediation costs to maintain the adjacent waterways and public boat docks, costs incurred in the establishment of the district and levy of the special tax, the administrative costs of the district that are provided by the city of Oxnard, flood control and storm drain protection services, police protection services that include the enforcement of city codes relating to the waterways. DFD 4 is the second largest special financing district that is managed by the Special Districts Division of Public Works. DFD 4 is a 122-acre development and is directly managed by a project manager and landscape maintenance inspectors who perform direct maintenance and inspect the contracted services. DFD 4 contains various amenities throughout the area, including park benches along walking paths and within the community's parked spaces. These benches were installed with the construction of the community and are at least 18 years old. Over time, these benches have become worn due to age, regular use, and their proximity to the ocean, which causes deterioration of metal fittings and hardware over time. During meetings with the Seabridge Homeowners Association, 30 benches were identified as needing to be replaced for age, wear, and safety reasons. The lowest bidder, Garcia's Landscaping and Maintenance, Inc., currently holds council-approved agreements with the city that are worth more than $200,000 for fiscal year 23-24. Therefore, staff is required, in accordance with the city's purchasing policy, to bring this agreement to the City Council for their consideration. Agreement 324-00427 is a new standalone professional services agreement and not an extension of any current or previous agreements or amendments. Discussion. Informal bids for the project were solicited via email on December 20th, 2023, with a requested response by January 9th, 2024. Special districts received 2 responses, one from Garcia's Landscaping and Maintenance, Inc., and one from Mariposa Landscape, Inc. Haddad Concrete was solicited but did not respond with a bid prior to the January 9th, 2024 deadline. Staff have confirmed that Garcia's meets all required city contractual provisions, including possession of a city business tax certificate, insurance certificates, and corporate filings with the California Secretary of State. Based upon the available information, research performed to date, and past services provided by the company to the city, staff believes that the contractor is capable of satisfactorily providing the necessary services. All services provided will be based on available funding, and Garcia's will only be compensated for those services that they actually provide. On screen are pictures of the current condition of the benches at Seabridge, CFD4. On screen is a rendering of the proposed benches to be installed. Services to be completed by the contractor are categorized as follows. 1, demolition of existing concrete. 2, removal of existing bench supports. 3, installation of new bench footings and new bench seats, and all other appurtenant and associated work in accordance with the contract documents. The work is tentatively scheduled to begin on 4/24/24 and continue through 6/28/24 absent any delays. Staff will keep the Seabridge HOA informed of the schedule and any delays. Financial impact. The total cost for this project is $12,650 and will be funded in its entirety from the CFD4 professional services account 60403801-53200. Although this was an informal bid for an amount below the purchasing authority of the Public Works Director and Purchasing Manager, Garcia's currently holds council-approved agreements with the city worth more than $200,000 for fiscal year 23-24. Therefore, staff are required, in accordance with the city's purchasing policy, to bring this agreement to City Council for approval. There is no impact on the general fund. Staff are available for questions. Thank you.